Hi everybody, Hilo Greg here. Gonna do a quick review of my new Grateful Dead ukulele from Alvarez guitars. I got it recently, been enjoying it, and gonna give you a little sound sample in a minute. First, comes in a nice Grateful Dead inspired box. There are 5 different designs. This one is the lightning design. It features the Steal Your Face logo and a lightning bolt with red roses on one side and blue dancing bears on the other side. Now, when I first heard about this, I thought it was kind of a gimmick, but it might look nice hanging up. But I'm very pleasantly surprised with how it sounds, and we'll get to that in a minute. First, has a spruce top, mahogany back and sides, and a nice rosewood fretboard. The nut and saddle are real bone, and it has some nice closed gear tuners, and even a little Grateful Dead logo on the back of the headstock. And it came strung with Maquila Strings, which is always a plus. Now, how does it sound? Well, I was surprised how nice it sounds, and I'm going to give you a little bit of a song in honor of Jerry. Shaking in the forest, what have you to fear? Here there may be tigers to punch you in the ear. Gloves of stainless steel, bats carved out of brick. They knock you down and beat you up and give your ass a kick. When push comes to shove, you're afraid of love. When push comes to shove, when push comes to shove, you're afraid of love. When push comes to shove. Alright, that's the Grateful Dead ukulele. Thumbs up from Hilo Greg.